Bw'otogeera kati ng'abasibe ba National Platform abadde balimira mu makomera ag'enjawulo, bw'otogeera kati baganda bange, mikwano gyange bonna bamaze okuba nga bayimbulwa olunaku olwaleero kakalu ka kkooti. Kino nno kivudde ku lunaku olwajjo okuba nga abantu bangi bavuddeyo ne bakomentinga ku ebyo ebyatuusiddwa ku buwagizi bwa National Platform abakwatiddwa abayitirivu bwe babadde nga bagenda okunoonyeza mu NUP ayesimbyewo Kawempe North akalulu mu bitundu eby'e Kawempe. Wabula bano gavumenti evuddeyo n'ebyegaana nti tebamanyi era bo tebamanyi wa gye baavudde. Mukwano gwange tebikomye just awo, abantu bagenze mu maaso n'okubulaminga gavumenti olw'ebikolwa bino byegenda okukola ku bannankyukakyuka abaagala Uganda ey'enjawulo era abaagala Uganda okukyuka.
Do you understand the charge raised to you at this person? We have read the charge. Okay. She's going to repeat straight to you the charge. Let me do it as interprets. Montego Ronald, Kakaide Sebi, Sebunya Hassan, and Kato Abdul Shakur and others still at large. On the 3rd day of March 2025, at Makerere Kavule in Kawempe Division, in Kampala District, you had done an unlawful procession and omitted to discharge your legal duty. And omitted to discharge your legal duty by walking randomly in the middle of the road. Walking in the middle of the road, chanting people power slogans. Thereby causing danger, obstruction, and inconvenience to the public in exercise of their common rights. So, Mr. Ronald, have you understood the charge? How do you plead to the charge? Just go to Kakaide Sebi. Have you understood the charge? How do you plead to the charge? Let's go to Sebunya Hassan. Did you understand the charge against you? How do you plead? Kato Abdul Shakur, how do you plead to the charge? I didn't hear it. Please switch off your phones or put them in silent. plea of not guilty is entered against all the accused persons. First, I want to seek a permission to introduce Essanyu Abasibbe Bba, who joins us as part of the defense team, and Mr. Abubakar, Secretary. We have a number of prayers. In worship, we have a number of prayers. The first is to be availed a copy of the defectively incurable churches we've had. The second is disclosure for the entirety of documents that the state intends to be relied on. Third and most immediate option is we have instructions to apply for bail as we humbly proceed to do with the permission. The worship from the church read, the offense charged is a bailable offense. And based on the presumption of innocence, based on the presumption of innocence, calculated under Article 28 of our Constitution, the accused persons who are innocent seek to regain their freedom, which has been curtailed by the police, and in which we shall contain an We have explained to them the purpose and implication of bail. They have fully understood the same. And each of them makes a personal undertaking to appear as and when directed by court, defend their innocence, and embarrass the state in this trumped charge. They also have substantial sureties. To whom we have again explained the implications of standing so, and each make personal undertakings to ensure the attendance of the accused persons in the unlikely event that the accused persons have not reminded themselves. With your permission, we shall proceed to introduce the sureties. Worship for accused person, because we do not have the order.
How many sureties per each person?
We have arranged it two.
So let's have the sureties of Muteli Rona.
That is Mutenya and Ikaziwe.
And one of the requirements I would want them to clarify on whether they have valid phone contact numbers. By valid meaning, if the phone contacts are registered in their names, sometimes we've encountered a challenge there. Some people come, give us wrong telephone numbers. I hope you also clarify on that. We undertake the motion. So let the first two step forward. Let's have Bule, Henry, Zuga, and Kazibwe. Mr. Kazibwe Peter. The second aspect I wanted also to clarify on, they have their national IDs and also recommendation letters. We don't want the worship, we have most times making their particulars and they don't they don't have. Your worship for A1, we have Mr. Henry Bule Subuga. What is it? Bule Subuga. He's let me take it over from there. I prefer to conduct the interview between board and the surety. Yeah, some of them don't know their particulars about them. So sometimes they come with fixtures particulars about themselves. That's where we sometimes find out. The bar is yours, Your Worship. Okay, Buure who? What is your second name? And as we may be conducting this, let's have the photocopy to take as well, which is our perusal and confirmation of their particulars. Okay, what is your other name? How old are you? What language do you want us to use? But you are not responding to my question. What language do you want us to use? English. I'm sure it's that. So what is your age?
I'm 46 years.
And what work do you do?
I'm a counselor.
At Kawempe Division?
I'm a counselor.
And where do you reside?
I reside in Fire.
How do you rate the accused person? How do you rate the accused person that you are standing for? What is your relationship between you and him?
Very a counselor.
And your phone contact now?
0701 90 16 77 0701 90 16 77.
Registered in your names? Presuming you've been explained to what you are supposed to do as a ship. Let's have the second one. Please, as you submit your national IDs, remember to take them after the process. We only retain the photocopies. We have Abasibbe Peter. That's good for A1. Oh, sorry. For A1, Namaya Rachel. You are standing 3 to 4. Did I hear you? Correct the way you say you have each for each. Well, we are not yet done. Please, we implore you to listen correctly for purposes of being served smoothly. We are dealing with the sureties of Mutebero Nada. It's okay. No? To 7 years.
Then the next is
Councillor, Honorable Councillor, you came to stand shooting for. Please, we announced sureties for Mutebi Ronald. Please follow the instructions. Okay, let's finish with sureties of Mutebi Ronald. Who is the second one?
Abasibbe Peter, your worship. Abasibbe Peter.
The second surety for A1.
Yes.
I mean A3.
Yes.
So who is that?
Peter Abasibbe.
Who is Abasibbe Bba? How old are you? Where do you stay? Please speak up. And what do you do? What is your occupation? Please, we implore the rest of you to keep your peace in silence. That's better. You said where do you reside? No. The other question was, what is your occupation? How do you rate the appeal? I presume you understand the role of a surety. Your phone contact. Is it first of all registered in your name? 07
03 00 84.
Okay, we are now. What is the national ID? Let's have the duties for A1, and that is Mutebi Ronald.
We have Kenya Deus.